Okay. This is what I'm working on right now. Got here. No water in the boiler, pumps on, it's sitting there, and you can just hear it cavitate and chug. For some reason, that look, I got a leak. Tighten my packing nut. But for some reason, that PRV was not letting water come into the boiler, so right now I'm bleeding it out. But one thing I'm noticing is that soot. So, I got my analyzer. After we get this thing bled out, I haven't even. Oh boy. That soot right down there. Someone, for some reason, shut these burner shutters. They should never be closed on natural gas. There's soot there. It's probably a 60s boiler. We're gonna have some CO issues. That's what it's looking like. Well, let's get it bled out really quick and we'll start it up. Okay, we got the analyzer out here and we're going to start this thing up. Not working too well. Okay, just started. I can smell it. Oh, take it out. Went into sensor protection. That was that startup. It shouldn't be like that. Well, just waiting for my meter to clear out. Okay. Got my meter cleared out. I didn't have it running for that long. So let me start it back up and see if I'm getting any carbon monoxide into the space. It's got some air in it still. I'm leaking. Right there. 35 parts per million. Go back over here and see. can smell it. Yeah, this boiler's got some issues. Okay, now, as you've seen, it had a lot of, it was, that boiler was burning really bad. One thing I noticed, the first thing I noticed before I even started it up, it had soot at the bottom, black soot at the bottom of the boiler. It had that, it had that soot coming up that pipe for the expansion tank right out of by the T&P valve. So I actually didn't even bring any tools in on this one. Even though the shutters were closed, that wasn't the main problem. The main problem here was venting. It's got a venting issue where we're actually taking up too much air through the draft hood. We're not burning enough, so it's burning rich. So as soon as we start burning rich, it starts sooting up. Anytime you got a lot of carbon monoxide in that flue, try covering the draft hood up, see if you can get it straightened out. Basically, we probably could have fixed that boiler, clean the block out on it, clean the burners, put a barometric damper in it, re-cement the top cap onto the water jacket. And honestly, we could probably fix that boiler, but she did not want to put forth any effort or money towards that boiler because it is from 1973. So she's just going to go buy a new one. That's all she's going to do. I mean, that is a fixable condition, but the customer's got to be willing to spend some money to fix it. So I mean, that's it for this one. Keep watching, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.